Amigos, here are your directions for today, el 25 de marzo. Pues vamos a practicar más los mandatos con boom cards. So with the boom cards activity, you're going to do some dragging and dropping of your pronouns, mostly to decide where the pronouns go and if your command needs an accent or not. So let me get it up for you just a second. So you're going to see a command or a verb, I should say, that you're going to change to the command form, and then you're going to change whatever in parentheses to a DOP. So lo, las, los, or la, el, la, or lo, la, los, or las, or if it's a reflexive verb, you'd use say. So for this one, and then you're going to decide, do you use affirmative word placement where you attach the pronoun to the end and accent your command, or do you use negative word order where you put the pronoun before the verb and don't accent your command? So for comer las verduras, and our command is affirmative, sí. So we're going to attach our pronoun to the end. So in the box, I'm going to type my command form of comer in the usted form, which would be coma. And then I'm going to attach las verduras' DOP, so las, to the end, las. So nothing's going to go in this first box. But then since I'm attaching, I need to change this O to an O with an accent. So it says como las, and then I click the submit button to see if I'm right. If I have a no here, then I'm going to put my DOP first. So las espinacas would be las again, but now it goes first. So nothing now goes in this last box. And then I'm going to give the usted command form of cocinar, which is cocine. Submit, and it'll take you to the next question. So once it tells you you're all done and you've completed that, you'll click submit assignment here. And then you're going to work on the Go formative, las recetas con mandatos. You're going to be translating some recipes of some foods. And for this assignment, you are using usted commands for this first recipe. The second recipe, you're going to use ustedes. And for this one, you're not using any pronouns unless they are in bold and they're the words them or it. Otherwise, just regular commands with the vocabulary. I gave you some vocab words here that will help you to translate this command. So if there's a word that you don't know, then come up to this little section right here so you can see what it means. Make sure you use these words and not other ones from the internet. So for this one, peel the potatoes. Peel is pelar. I'm going to give the usted command of that, which would be pele, opposite endings. And then potatoes are las patatas with a period at the end. Now with this one though, this is where we would use a DOP, boil them in water, them referring to potatoes. So I'm going to still give my command form of the verb hervir, hierva. But now them is going to be a DOP that replaces potatoes, las. But since I'm attaching it to the end, I need to accent the third to last vowel or the second to last syllable of the command, and then complete the sentence and agua and put a period at the end. So that's how you're going to be doing this. So no pronouns unless you see this bold word here, which is the English direct object pronoun. And then in the second section, same idea, except now you're using ustedes commands. Here's some vocabulary that you might need for this section. And I put a couple of hints in there to help you out. And then when you're done, you'll submit assignment. Now, since we've just learned that we do not have school tomorrow on Friday, that is originally when our quiz was going to be posted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it. So if you want to take it today on Thursday, you are welcome to do that. If you want to take it on Friday, you're welcome to do that, even though we don't have school. But I'm going to leave it open all of spring break and through 3 p.m. on Monday after spring break. So that's April 5th. So you have basically a week and a half to take the quiz at your leisure. I'll leave it open that whole time so you can take it whenever is convenient for you. And if you're on vacation this entire time, then you can take it when you get back on Monday. So if you have any questions or any issues, please let me know. Have a great day. Adios. And a great break.